Hello everyone, I've returned from visiting family and I can finally deliver you all a proper video for today. For this one, I'm going to be drawing two characters that come from the Fullmetal Alchemist series. So with that said, sit back, relax, and enjoy my drawings. While knowing that Edward's eyebrows are a dark blonde color, I filled them in with a pencil to at least show where his eyebrows are. Here's a random comment. I have never seen the Fullmetal Alchemist series before. I've never read any of the mangas or seen the anime, but I've heard a lot about it, so I've got to sit down and watch the anime eventually. Of course, you can't draw Edward without drawing his prosthetic right arm. I had to make sure the reference I used showed his middle arm in view. And of course, knowing me, I decided to add some hair strands to give the hair more detail. And that is my drawing of Edward Elric. Now on to the next drawing. When drawing Alphonse Elric, I had to make sure that the mask on his metal armor looked correct, down to the small details like the small horn on top and the way the jaws look. Just to save you all time from watching me draw a lot of the details on Alphonse's armor, I'm skipping through some parts just to get through most of the recording, also so that this doesn't get too boring. I'm sure you can already tell, but Alphonse's armor has a lot to it, hence why there's a lot of detail I'm putting in, just so the armor looks nice, but also has detail to keep consistent with his design. Of course, there's one more detail I can't forget, and that's the logo that's placed on the left shoulder of the armor. Well, actually, there's one last little detail I need to add. It's this long piece that's sticking out from the top of Alphonse's helmet. And with that done, that is my drawing of Alphonse Elric. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm really glad I can get a new video out for this week, especially with no video having been out last week. But yeah, as always, I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you want more videos, and like if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you everyone.